Oh, hello! Welcome to our humble home. So this is the entryway. Obviously, you guys just came through the door, and off we go to explore the rest of the house. So moving to the rest of the house, these are our cute little Urban Outfitters shelves that we just stuck to the wall with some command hooks because this is a cement wall and nothing can like screw into it. This is our little boot area because it's winter and salt and water and whatever is coming into the house. This is our thrifted, vintage, well, I guess just from Value Village, mirror, which is eventually going to be stuck onto the wall as soon as we do that. But yeah, then as we come in, this is the kitchen. Back there's the bedroom, which we can get to later. But this is the kitchen. We got this like island bar thing from ikea and then slapped this topping on it with cement glue or something. Ethan did it, I don't know what it's called. And then we have our plates and like little jars of toppings and things at the bottom because we don't have a lot of cabinet space, so we just keep that stuff here. This is our fridge and freezer. I think it's kind of self-explanatory. Our little sink area, our dishwasher, stove, microwave on top of the stove, 2 bar stools to sit at the little island place. And then as we come in here, this is the living room. Oh, you can see us. So this, we've changed around the layout many times, but we've finally found a layout, I guess, that we like. So we just got this mirror last weekend from West Elm. I love it very much. And then beside the mirror is Polly. She's our Majesty palm tree. And then we got this structube bar cart little cabinety thing with Ethan's record player on top, my little tulips, a box of cables and stuff for the record player, some books, records, Ethan's grandpa's old camera. And then the like seating area, Polly, I already introduced her. Then we have our like TV setup, our little baby Christmas tree that we got yesterday, and then our like plants along the window soaking up the sunshine. And then we got a glass table for this space because we wanted it to like still be bright, if that makes sense. Like we thought a solid color table would make the space a lot smaller, but because this is see-through, it kind of doesn't block anything. And then we have the really comfy couch that's actually very comfortable to sleep on, so if you ever want to sleep over, hit me up. This is our little side table from ikea. It has like our first photo in it. How cute. Alberto, because the OG Albert, who's down here, is not doing so well, so we replaced him with Alberto. But I'm still taking care of Albert because he's my baby. But he's doing well. And then back here, we have 2 shelving units that just have like, I don't know, random stuff in them. Books and electronics and things. And then out here is our balcony. It has space for like a little IKEA bistro set, and we sit out there a lot in the summer, but it is not the right weather right now. And then through here is the bathroom and shower. It's like a galley bathroom. It's behind the kitchen. So you have the shower to your left, the toilet, and then yeah, the sink area. And then through the bathroom is our bedroom. So we have this whole wall of like closet sliding mirrors. Behind this mirror is our washer dryer. I forgot the word for it. And then all the rest is all of our closet, which I guess I can show you. We put in all these shelving units, and then we can like stack our clothes, which has been really helpful, and we can hang stuff at the bottom. This is my side table. Super cute. I have my 5-minute journal, my watch. Yeah, and then this is our bed. This is my little clothing rack that I got off Amazon, I'm pretty sure. I have it in all of my like changing YouTube videos and stuff, so you can probably recognize it. Right now we just have like coats on it because the front closet, when you first come in the door, I forgot to mention it, but we have a little closet there, but it's little, so all of our hundreds of Canadian coats don't fit in there. So for the time being, they're just in here. We have like bags hanging off the side and stuff, and then some shoes at the bottom, and our laundry basket in the corner. So thank you for coming into our home, and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next Sunday.